Hello students, I am Swati Deshpande teacher. Today we will be learning next topic which is very important, face and place value of a digit and expanded form of a number. To begin with, we will start with the face value. As the name suggests, face. Face means how the number looks. That is its face value. Rule number 1. The face value of any digit is the digit itself. I will explain what it is. Face value of a digit never changes as it changes its place. The meaning of first rule is the face value of any digit is the digit itself, means face value of number 3 is 3, always 3. Face value of number 2 is always 2. Place value of number 7 is always 7. Even though the digit, for example 7, even though the digit 7 is in units place, hundreds place, 10,000s place, lakhs place, crores place, any place, the face value of 7 will be always 7. Remember that. That is the meaning of this second rule. Face value of a digit never changes as it changes its place, means units, hundreds, किधर भी जाएगा वो 7 ही रहेगा. Remember that. Okay. I have given you some example also. Face value of a digit 5 is only 5 in all the following numbers. 5, 56, here it was units. Here 5 is in tens place. 573, 573, here 5 is in hundreds place. Here 5 is in thousands place. Even though 5 is changing its places, the face value of 5 will remain 5 only. Remember that. Face value never changes. Now we will try to understand what is the meaning of place value. Students, let's begin with place value. Let us understand what is the meaning of place value. As the name suggests, this value depends on the place of the digit. Digits के place क्या क्या होते हैं? Units, tens, hundred, thousand, right? And many more, up to crores, abjad, all that. So, in which place that particular digit is, that will determine its place value. Okay? So, let's start with the rule. Number 4, which is regarding a place value. Place value of a digit changes as it changes its place. I have just written in the form of a chart so that it becomes easy for you to understand. Okay? Number and place value. 6, number 6, just 6, one digit, 6, means it is in units place. So obviously it will have place value 6. If I write 68, now this 6 has come in the tens place. उसकी वैल्यू बढ़ गई है because from units place it has come to tens place in this number. So obviously its value will be 6 tens, that is 60. One more trick I will tell you. Always remember while writing the place value, take that digit. उसके बाद after that digit how many more digits are there? Count those digits. Those digits are not important for us to write down the place value. Only write down the number of digits after that digit. For example, after this 6 there is only one digit, that is 8. 8 is not important, but that how many digits are there after 6? Only 1. So only 1 0 after 6. Here this 6, 623, 623. So 6 is there in the hundreds place. So 6 hundreds will be the place value. Another way of writing is 6, उसके बाद कितने digits? 1 and 2. So 2 zeros. Understood? So here it is 6120, that is 6120. This 6, unlike all these, this is in the thousands place. So its value will be 6000. 6 के बाद कितने digits है? 1, 2, 3. So 6 के बाद 3 zeros. Finished. Now here 62,135. This 6 is even much more heavy because it is occupying place in the 10,000s place. So 60,000 will be the place value. 6 के बाद कितने digits है? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 के बाद 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. That's it. Okay. One more important thing. Once this question was asked in the final examination. Okay. 0 is the only digit which always has face value as well as place value as 0. What does it mean? If 0 is there in any particular, I'll give you one example. Okay. 2, 3, 0, 5, 6. It is actually 23,056, right? Even though this 0 is there in the hundreds place, but just because it is 0, 0 hundreds means 0 only. So 0 will have place value also 0 and face value, I told you the number itself 0 is 0 only. So face value is also 0 and place value is also 0. Even though the big number like this is 1,02,345. Actually speaking, it is in the 10,000s place. If some other number would have been there, it would have had so many 10,000s place value. But this is 0. 0 is 0. So 0 always has place value 0 as well as face value 0. That is the only single one digit which always has place value and face value always 0. Okay. Students, let's go ahead. Now we learn what is the meaning of expanded form of a number. Okay. Now if I tell you to find out the expanded form of this particular number, that is 24,685. Okay. First begin with 2, the highest number. This is the lowest number because it's in the units place. This is tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. This is the biggest one. So let us start with the biggest one. After that, it is in 10,000s place. So 20,000 will be the place value. But still, if there is a confusion, go slowly. 2. After that, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 4. After 4, how many digits? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Then comes our 6. How many digits after that? 1, 2. So only 2 zeros. Plus 8. After that only 5 is there. So 1 digit. So 1 zero. And 5, you don't have anything. So only 5 will come. This is called as the expanded form of a number. In short, what do you mean by expanded form is the sum of the place value of all the digits together. Okay, this is nothing but, this is the place value of 2 in this number. 4,000 is the place value of 4 which is in thousands place. Like that you have to add all the digits place value, then you will get expanded form of a number. The value of all this, if you add, you will get this number. Is that clear? So we will take few examples of everything what we have studied today so that it becomes even more easy for you to understand. Students, I always tell you, it should not be one-way communication. I need your participation so that even I feel nice. So what can you do? You pause the video and try to solve these 3 sums which I have given. I will give you 3 minutes. Take 3 minutes. Try to solve it, and then check your answers with my answer. Put your answers in the comment box. Okay? Your time starts now. Students, I am sure most of you must have done all this. In case you haven't got the answer, don't worry, I am there to help you, right? Okay, let's begin. Write the face value and the place value of digit 8 in the given number. This is a number given to you, 8,53,207. Now face value of 8. 8 is here. Which is this place? Write down units, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs. So 8 is in lakhs place. How many digits after 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So place value means 8 and 5 zeros. Why 5 zeros? Because there are 5 different digits after 8. Face value is the same as the number looks. So 8 looks like 8 only. So number itself. Okay. So first one is over. In few seconds, write the expanded form of 20,357. Expanded form is nothing but the addition of place value of each digit in the given number. So begin with the highest one, 2. 2. What is the place value of 2? After 2, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 and 4 zeros. Plus 0. I have given you that rule. 0 is the only digit which has place value and face value, both 0. So I need not write 0 here. In case it is given as one of the option, then you can continue with writing. But in case this 0 is skipped by the examiner, never mind. Okay. So here I am writing at the moment 3. 3, then 2 numbers. So 2 zeros. It's in hundreds place. 5 is in tens place. And 7. Over. This is the expanded form. Okay. Now, these types of questions are normally asked in the examination. They may, see, once you know how to find out the place value and the face value, whatever they tell you to do, you should be able to do. Whether it is addition of place value of this and face value of that, or the subtraction of face value of this and place value, anything they may ask you. Here I have asked you the product. Product means the multiplication. Okay, what will be the product of the face value of the digit 9 and place value of digit 1? Now the question number 3. What will be the product of a face value of 9 and the place value of 1 in the number 67.29? Okay, the face value of 9, irrespective of its place, face is face, the number itself, so it's going to be 9 only. We did not even check which place it is in. Okay, now place value of 1. 1 is in units, tens, hundreds. 1 is in hundreds place. So the value of 1 is 100. Product means multiplication. So answer is 900. Is that clear? Okay. They may ask you, I told you, they may ask you anything. Addition of place value of this digit and face value of another digit. Or vice versa. They may ask subtraction. They may ask product. Anything they can. Once you know how to find out the place value and face value, whatever they ask, you are prepared, isn't it? Okay, so this is end of it. We are through with this chapter. Very interesting chapter, very important one. It's going to help you to get more marks because obvious questions are asked very frequently, and this is a common topic. Every year question is there on this topic. So we cannot afford to ignore this topic. Okay. So revise everything again. If you have any query, any doubt, put them in the comment box. I am always there to help you out. Okay. Students, if you have really enjoyed my lecture, then like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. Okay. Till then, bye.